Hello everyone, greetings to each and every one of you depending on the time you be coming across this video. So here I'm still on the installation of the LG inverter standing unit air conditioner. So now I'll be coupling the copper pipe to the outdoor unit because I did not want the video to be too long. That's why, and I did not want to forward the video so that you people would be able to understand what I'm doing here. And whenever you come across this kind of unit, if you have not installed it before, you will be able to install the unit. If you follow the step that I've been doing on this unit, you'll be able to understand and install this unit successfully. That's why I did not want to rush the video and for so that you'll be able to understand everything that I'm doing on this unit. So now this is when I'm doing the installation of the copper pipe. So I'm almost done coupling the copper pipe to the outdoor unit. So now I've successfully coupled it. So what I'll be doing next is to connect the cable. So guys, this is the very important part that I would like you people to pay attention to, the connection. So this cable that I'm holding here is the one that pick power from the socket, or whenever the power is actually coming from, to connect to this terminal here, which is the supply line. So this is where the supply line will be connecting to. So watch the video and let's connect the supply cable. So guys, at this point I'm done connecting my supply cable to the terminal. So this other cable that I'm holding here is the indoor cable, the one that will be supplying the indoor unit. So guys, stay tuned as we connect the indoor power cable. So I'll still have to connect it to the terminal, where the terminal is. So this is the indoor power cable that I'm connecting now. So guys, at this point I'm done connecting both the supply cable and the indoor cable. So this is the way to connect LG inverter standing unit air conditioner. So if you do your connection like this, the unit will definitely work. So I'll be showing you how the connection look after I might have done screwing this other place now. So let me show you how the connection looks so that you will not make mistake whenever you want to install this kind of unit. So let's see how it look when I'm done connecting, and I'll be checking my leakage after now. So take a good look at the connection. So this is how the connection look. So let's open the line and check the leakage and to be sure of the job. So checking of leakage is very important when it comes to installation. So after doing your installation, you have to check your leakage so that you'll be sure of the coupling. So as you can see, there is no leakage on this outdoor unit coupling. So after now, I'll be going to the indoor unit to still check the leakage so that I'll be very sure of this installation. So here is the indoor unit. So I still have to check leakage here so that I'll be very sure of the coupling. So as you can see, there is no leakage on the line. So if today is the first time you're coming across my video, please do well to support me by following this page, like and share this video so that others can see and also benefit from this video. Thank you, and don't forget to share your own opinion under the comment section. Thank you.